Hello everyone, I'm Kyle, and today I'm going to show you how to make tablea and puffed rice crunchy bar. For this recipe, we'll be needing 1 cup of glow-pork organic rice that's been cooked. We'll need 4 pieces of Sequoia Hotel tablea, finely chopped, 1/4 cup of cocoa sugar by Healthy Sweet, 1/4 cup of peanut butter, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of butter. To start this recipe, we'll have to make our dried rice for our puffed rice. So here, I just have some rice that's been cooked. Place it on an even thin layer on this baking tray lined with baking paper. Then we can pop it. After this, we can pop it in the oven, in a 100-degree oven for around 20 to 25 minutes until it's dry. Or we can just place it in the fridge for around overnight or up to 2 days until it's dry. Once it's dry, it should look like this. It looks like uncooked rice again, and you can see sometimes it forms some clumps. You have to make sure that there are no clumps. So just rub it in between your fingers to make sure they're all in individual grains. Then after that, we've got some oil heating up for us to fry our rice in. So you see, you have to make sure that our oil has some ribbons forming on top. That's when we'll know our oil's a little hot enough. Here I'm just going to place a piece of rice to test. It should puff up and float to the surface. Well, there, puffed up and it's floated on the surface. So here I'm going to place a handful of this rice. It's just going to sound like popcorn. See? Simple. It's this easy to make your own puffed rice or Rice Krispies, and this on its own, it's a recipe already. You can use it for all sorts of things: savory, sweet, make Rice Krispies treats, anything you can think of. And we're going to set this aside, and here I've got some butter in a pan, and I'm going to melt it until all the water is evaporated. You want to evaporate all of the water in this because any moisture will make the whole crunchy bar chewy, because water will make the rice chewy. And then once our butter is melted, we want to make sure that all the water is evaporated, and this will also create a bit of a nutty flavor that will really complement the coconut sugar and the rice. So you can see that I'm going to place it here on top of our tablea. After this, we can cook this over a bain-marie, which is a pot of simmering water. You can put the bowl on top, or we can just pop it in the microwave for maybe around a minute, and then just stir it every 15 seconds. So I'm just going to pop this in the microwave. Here, I've got some that's melted already. And after this, we're going to place it all in this bowl. So I'm going to put my tablea and butter mixture, my cocoa sugar by Healthy Sweet. This will sweeten the whole thing because the tablea is unsweetened. Some peanut butter. You can also use any other nut butter you like. You can use almond butter, anything you like. And a pinch of salt. This will really help enhance all of the flavors in this crunchy bar. And once you've got all the ingredients mixed together well, you have to make sure you mix everything well. You don't want any pockets of salt because that will create an unpleasant flavor. Everything's mixed well. You don't want a ripple effect. You want a nice homogeneous mixture. And after that, we can add in our puffed rice. Here's the puffed rice I just made. And here's some more puffed rice I made a while ago. We're just gonna mix it all together. Actually, it depends. You can really change the flavors of this thing. You can even add raisins, anything you like. This recipe, it's really adaptable. You can add raisins, currants, nuts if you like. If you change to since you use peanut butter, it's got a bit of like a Reese's or like a chocolate flavor. If you use like hazelnut butter, it'll taste a little like a Ferrero Rocher. Anything. Then after that, we're gonna place it on this baking paper that's on a baking tray, and we're gonna spread it into a rectangle or any shape you want. Press it evenly. You can make it a little thick or thin, however you like it. And after this, you can cut it into bars, place it in the fridge or freezer for it to set up, and cut it into bars. And voila! This is what it looks like. Look. It's really nice and nutty, chocolatey. It's got a really nice crunch. I hope you like this recipe, and I hope you try it at home.